Hello students, this video lesson is from 10th class science chapter 3 metals and non-metals. Now basically these are your exercise questions. So which of the following pairs will give displacement reactions? So the correct answer is given over here. Then which of the following method is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? So C is the correct part as you find. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be. Then fourth question, then fifth question. You are given a hammer, a battery, a bulb, wires and a switch. How would you use them to distinguish between samples of metals and non-metals? So it's based on activity. You have to look very carefully and you must draw this figure for this answer. Then we move to question number. So this is you have to be very careful while attempting this question. Then question number 6. Also be part, assess the usefulness of these tests in distinguishing between metals and non-metals. Then what are amphoteric oxides? Of course they are both acidic as well as basic in nature. Examples are aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. Then name two metals which will displace hydrogen from dilute acids and two metals which will not. So as we find here, zinc and aluminium. In the electrolytic refining of a metal N, what would you take as anode, cathode and electrolyte? So remember always impure metal is taken as anode. So this is another ninth question. What the reaction does. So you have to give certain observations here. So be very careful about these reactions. We must balance also these equations. So though it's a different issue that these are balanced. Now sulfuric acid, remember, is H2SO3 while sulfuric acid is H2SO4. So when you dissolve SO2 in water you get sulfurous acid, but when you dissolve SO3 then you will get only sulfuric acid. So the next question is 10. State two ways to prevent the rusting of iron. Painting and galvanization, two good methods. What type of oxides are formed when non-metals combined with oxygen? So generally they are acidic oxides. So then reasoning the question number 12, that is with the 4 parts. Then question number it's a comparative question. Differentiate. So metals and non-metals, how two are different. 15th question, a man went door to door posing as a goldsmith. So what he does? So basically he is using aquarellure here. 16th question, give the reason why copper is used to make hot water tanks and not steel. So main reason is because copper is a better conductor. So complete this answer, note down in case you have not noted down something in the class, and send audio as usual. Bye.